Oh hey there, this is a secret vlog dedicated to Grandpa Woofy and Juha, and I'll be showing you exactly what's going on with my car. This awesome car, which apparently decided to explode. Now I have a cool commercial sticker put on my car. So let's just see what's going on under the magnificent rear hatch. It's hardly a hood or a bonnet. Let's take it off. Oh, look at that. That's the engine. The mighty engine, which makes this car faster than even Grandpa Woofy's Subaru. Let's see what's going on in the oil department here. Let's see where's there's more light here. What's going on? So it's oily. Obviously there is oil in it. So let's just see. This is what the oil from the dipstick looked like. So now it's all clean. Go pop that motherfucker back in. Let's see what happens next. So it seems there's plenty of oil. Seems there's even more oil than it was 30 minutes ago when I last checked. Oh yeah, it's like, oh right, now I see. So it's even more. It's close to 70%, I'd say, because it's sloped on the one side. So there's more on one side and less on the other. Let's go back, stick this motherfucker back in. Now I need a lighting solution here. Turn on the light. Engine oil. Now let's open this motherfucker up. And let's try to add oil. So I got some great oil for the car. I hope it's light enough. You have instructions to get this good oil for the car. So let's see, can I... Now's the fun part. Not getting the oil on the car everywhere. Brought paper, so when I spill it, I can wipe it mostly. And let's see what happens. Oh man, it's gonna be tight. Oh, I spilled a lot. And that should be enough for starters. Let's see what my adding oil did to this little thing here. There's obviously more, but I need to add even further more oil, so it will have even more oil in it, if that makes sense. And add oil. Oh, this is a good pour. Let's see, I added a lot. What does it say about the level now? I think there should be plenty enough. Let's just use most unscientific methods. Just add even a little bit more for good measure, so it has plenty of oil. Now I have to clean this shit away from here, so it isn't all oily and shit. Spilled oil everywhere. Clean away some oil that I spilled. And now we have a nice clean motor. And let's pop this cap back on. Let's see what it sounds like after the extensive repairs have been done on this car. As you can see, I'm a professional. I used a lot of McDonald's paper. And let's see what sounds will the car make when I start it up with the light on here. Tasty. a shot. The rattle is best heard from underneath. You can see where I spilled the oil and the rattle. So let me rev it up a bit. Yeah, and now it smells like burning oil also, but I guess we know where that's coming from. So, my little special video for Grandpa Woofy and Juha, his trusty reindeer. Okay, talk to you guys later. Peace. Hey, so I'm back at the hotel. This is, by the way, a way better place to do the engine works. We have all the light here we need. Let's see what happened to the oil level after driving. This is a stupid thing. It doesn't seem to come off. So open it up. This goes here. It's more. So the little engine that could for about 108,000 kilometers. So let's see. What does it say? This is what the oil looks like on the paper. Doesn't look that bad actually. I mean, okay, I take my words back. This looks kind of shitty. Try to clean it even further. A plastic dipstick, always a nice thing. Do cheap stuff. This black thing is like gunky. Doesn't want to get off the dipstick. Reasonably clean. And now I just try to open this rod. Just keep fucking with my camera. And let's see. Pop it back in. Pop it back out. And let's see. So by the name of all what's holy, there should be plenty enough oil in it. If there wasn't before, then there is by now. I know, my god, it looks so shitty. Ah, well, it's full on the one side and it's oily on the other side also, so it's full. So I guess that's that. Let's see for further updates what's gonna happen. Peace.